Welcome to Auto Review Pro, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Stay tuned as we explore the world of automobiles and next-generation motorhomes. In this video, we're diving into the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a modern take on comfort, technology, and utility for life on the road. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is a bold step into the future of recreational travel. Chevrolet combines rugged American engineering with advanced technologies and premium comfort to deliver a motorhome that's both practical and luxurious. From the outside, it carries a robust yet sleek design, featuring a high-strength steel body, sharp LED matrix lighting, and chrome detailing that gives it a powerful road presence. The large panoramic windshield, smart rear-view mirrors, smooth aerodynamic lines help reduce drag and enhance fuel efficiency. Under the hood, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is powered by a 6.6-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The performance is smooth and confident, especially on highways and steep terrain. It's making it perfect for long-distance adventures. It also comes with an optional hybrid variant, offering better fuel economy and a quieter drive. Chevrolet's advanced suspension system ensures a stable and smooth ride, even on rough roads, while intelligent traction control and all-wheel drive capability make this motorhome reliable in all seasons. Inside, the cabin reflects Chevrolet's commitment to comfort and functionality. The spacious living area includes a convertible sofa, a dining setup, and a fully functional kitchenette equipped with an induction stove, smart fridge, microwave oven, and plenty of storage. The motorhome also includes a modern bathroom with a walk-in shower, a dry flush toilet, and a touchless sink system. The sleeping area offers a queen-sized memory foam mattress, mood lighting, USB ports, and underbed storage. Technology is a highlight in the 2026 model, featuring Chevrolet's latest infotainment system with a 15-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice command controls, and 5G hotspot connectivity. It also includes a remote diagnostics system, digital cluster display, climate zoning, and solar panel integration to support off-grid travel. The driver's cockpit is ergonomically designed with an adaptive steering column, HUD display, and smart cruise control for fatigue-free driving. Safety is top tier with multiple driver's assist features such as blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, adaptive braking, 360-degree cameras, and trailer sway control. In emergencies, the onboard AI can alert roadside assistance and send location data automatically. The motorhome is built to prioritize passenger security while providing total peace of mind on long journeys. Whether you're planning a cross-country road trip or setting up camp in the mountains, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome offers everything you need in one premium mobile package. It's the perfect blend of performance, technology, and convenience that today's RV enthusiasts are looking for. If you found this review helpful and want more detailed insights into the latest motorhomes and vehicles, don't forget to like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. This is Auto Review Pro, your trusted guide to the world of automotive excellence.